Okay, carrying on prepping the parts to go down to the engineers. So I've got the cylinder head. For some reason, when they did the grip blasting, they didn't clean the actual the carbon off the combustion chambers. So I've just got a wire brush in my cordless drill, and I'm just using that to just get rid of that carbon before I take the head down. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, just using the cordless drill, and it's a brass. Got a brass wire brush on the end, so it's not too aggressive. It's not going to cause any damage to the head. Okay, good. And then we've got a couple of sort of bits where it's very thick. Yeah, so that'll just come off easy with a screwdriver. Just get rid of the worst bits of it. There's a big lump of it. Yeah. Okay. And then finish it off again with the wire brush. There we go. So there we've done two of the combustion chambers, and we just got the third one to go. So it just comes up nice. Just get rid of that carbon before I take it down to the engineers. Right, all the cases are out of the dishwasher now, and I'm pleased. You know, they've got rid of a lot of the all the sort of beading and that from the blast cleaning process. But obviously we're not we're going to rely just on the dishwasher. So now I'm going over to the sink, and I'm going to wash through again all the oil ways, especially the oil ways. There's loads of little oil ways, especially mainly in this in the center crankcase and in the dry side crankcase. There's loads and loads of little oil ways that go everywhere, and you know, we're going to clean all those out and double check all those. But we're going to go over and give things a second wash, and I'll wash out the oil drain holes, because the blast sort of medium can just sit in there, and then it's not and it's not really an oil way, but you know, it is an oil drain, and so the oil will slowly come down from there, and it will slowly wash the grains back into the crankcase, which will then obviously go around the rest of the engine. So all these, any sort of oil waste like these, or drain holes or whatever, we're going to doubly check, because that's where the medium tends to sit there. You know, it's come off the big bits, but it can be sitting in the little bits still quite happily. So we're going to do everything again using the oil way brushes, and going over to the sink and just give everything a good old slosh about.